Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Rndr. I had to cover it, of course. Yesterday was a very bullish day for Rndr. Even though, there were some cryptos yesterday that actually performed very well. Rndr is obviously a crypto that performs well against, I don't want to say all odds, but it does perform well against odds. And yesterday Bitcoin was relatively bearish and the market overall, excuse me, my computer is a little bit laggy lately. So Bitcoin was a little bit bearish yesterday. We had a bit of a drop. Rndr, even when that was happening, we had this major, I would say, bullish breakout above 1.85 and 1.88. That was our main resistance for the last couple of days. We broke above that. So in this video, we'll talk about what that means. Because right now, technically, we are actually still consolidating. As long as we're below this resistance level around $2, we're still in some sort of a consolidation between $2 and 1.65. So we'll talk about whether we can actually break above $2 and just everything you need to know in this video. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. Right now, you can see that the volume is absolutely amazing. Volume is still growing as well, if I'm not lying to you. Yeah, volume is still growing, so there's still momentum. And apart from that, even though Bitcoin has been bearish, I actually do expect a support touch from this level, right? We're now at the support level. I expect that to hold. And with that, I actually expect some short-term bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin, which is handy, to say the least, because of the correlations in crypto. Apart from that, I wanted to briefly check if I missed some news on Rndr. Sometimes I do that, like for example with the burn mint equilibrium and stuff. They posted something about China, which might have caused a little bit of bullish momentum. I don't know, but overall, not any big news, at least not as far as I can see. So right now, the big thing is as you can see, technically, we're testing that level around $2. Strong level, psychological level, technical level, as you can see, and also the 618 FIB is there. Well, we are in a trending market, so it's a strong level. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to break above that. And I think we'll actually have a pretty good chance to do that. All right, so I think we'll try to break above that. And then from there, what's going to happen with Rndr largely depends on what we do at that level if we get there again. I think we can get above $2. But what we need to do if we actually want to become bullish again, because right now, like I said, if you take a look at the EMAs and if you take a look at the general market structure, we are still consolidating. On the short term, you could argue that we're bullish, I know, but for example, but just overall, there's not really any trend right now. So the thing is we're going to test that level. If we can break above $2, we'll find resistance at 2.1. But then if we can hold that as a support, so break and then get a break retest and hold that for at least like 24 hours, then we're bullish and I think we'll move up to 2.2 and 2.25. All right, but I do want to let you know that I feel like this is only, and I know it's a feeling because Rndr has done moves like this in the past when Bitcoin wasn't as bullish. But I feel like Bitcoin needs to become a little bit more bullish than this. So Bitcoin is now at the bottom of the support level. I think we need to get a bit more bullish momentum for something like this to be possible. All right, so just keep that in mind. This technical analysis does kind of take that into account already, because what could also happen is that we'll get above $2 and we hold this level for a while, but we cannot hold it for 24 hours and we break down below that. Then it was a fake out and we'll drop back down to 1.85. That's very possible. If this bearish momentum continues for Bitcoin, might even be the most bullish scenario. So for Rndr specifically, it's about breaking above $2 and then holding it as a support. Can we do that? Great. Then we'll get up to 2.25. Can we not? Then it was just some bullish momentum, a fake out, and then we'll get back into some sort of a consolidation. So that's my full take on Rndr for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.